Okay, congratulations on purchasing a Hizero. Now we're going to show you how quick and easy it is to set up. Now, when you slide it out of the box, you will see the charging base and the instruction booklet on the outside of the packaging. Very important, make sure you've got this. This is your spare filter. You've got one installed, one in the instruction book, and this is your charging base. So I'm going to show you how it all goes together in a few minutes. I'll put that to the side. We'll just lift that off. So when you open the box, you'll see all the components in here. You've got your lower body, you've got your handle, your charging base stirrup, your battery, your power adapter, your detergent, and a couple of disposable trays, and your cleaning brush. So quickly and easily, I'll show you how to put it together. Take the body out, remove all the plastic, okay? Take the handle out, remove the plastic. First thing you've got to do is connect the handle, okay? Remove the quick lock screw. The handle just slides in. And when you hear a click, it's in place. Put the screw in. It's got a flathead screwdriver, or you can actually use a Phillips, which is much easier. So just screw that in. It'll only take you a whole 30 seconds to do that. So that's quite easy. Not too tight, just tight enough so it grabs. And you're done. There's your handle in. The next part of the installation is your battery. Now that's partially charged from the factory, okay, but you need to fully charge it before you use it. 4 hours is what we recommend. Install your battery. Now, if you don't have a flathead screwdriver, you can use a 10-cent piece. A flathead screwdriver will do the job quickly and easily. Even if you're not good on the tools like me, just screw that in until it's completely flush. You'll hear a little click when it's in place, or it's just flush. Run your finger over there. That's all there is to it. Quick mount screw for the handle. The battery's installed. The water bottles are pre-installed. I want you to note there's always a little bit of water in the water bottles because they've been factory tested, and it says on the back a little bit of water may be left behind, but also don't use any other chemicals besides Hizero detergent. Plain water or Hizero detergent only. That clicks in. There's your wastewater tank. There'll be a little bit of water in that because it has been factory tested. Okay, so that's ready to, it's already almost ready to use. We've just got to remove the plastic. And now the last part we've got to do is soften the roller and insert it. We'll show you that in a few seconds. Here we are now, ready to soak the roller. So when you get the roller out of the box, or out of the bag I should say, it's hard, so you need to soak it in warm water before you can use it. So what I've done is I've just filled up a sink with warm water, and then I'm just going to massage the roller until it's all completely soft. The other way you can do it, you can actually do it under running water. Now, what's important is that there are no hard spots in the roller. So you need to massage it until it's completely soft all the way through to the core, to the plastic part. So it's about 8 mil thick. So you need to just make sure that that's completely soft and there are no hard spots. Because if there's hard spots, it won't pick up the water and it won't pick up the debris properly. It just simply won't work correctly. So 4 or 5 minutes massaging that in warm water, and it'll be ready to use and install on the machine. When you're finished cleaning it, softening it I should say, just run your hand over it and remove the excess water before you install it. Here we are back at the machine. We've connected the handle, installed the battery, the water bottles are installed, we've popped open the cleaning head, everything's installed in there except for the foam roller. I'll just take the hard waste tray out. The foam roller is now soft. You see how it's soft all the way through? There are no hard spots and it's not dripping water. If it's dripping water, you haven't wringed it out enough. You haven't wrung it out enough, I should say. So wring it out, remove the water, and put it into the machine. Tilt the machine onto its side, and you'll see there's a blue styrofoam piece there. Remove that. You can get rid of that. And then insert the cleaning roller. It sits in there. And when it clicks in, it's in place. And you're ready to go. Okay? Got the hard waste tray. There's no more assembly to be done here. The machine is ready. The last bit I have to show you is how you assemble the charging base, because you need to charge it first. So let me get the charging base out, the components related to that. Okay, so the charging base comes on the outside of the packaging. Remember to look for it on the outside of the packaging. you've got four rubber grommets which stop the charging base from scratching your floors. So your charging base, the stirrup where the machine sits, and your power pack. All right, pretty straightforward. That goes in there in the back. Plug that into a power outlet and put it on charge for 4 hours. I'm going to show you the correct way to put it on. Have a look at the prongs here. You see the two plastic prongs? You've got the metal prongs at the back, the plastic prongs. So pick up the machine, make sure it sits flush onto those prongs and sits flush here. And then leave it on charge for 4 hours, okay? And then you can use it. Now, the other things you get in the packaging is the 3 disposable trays. Now remember, if you're using these, they're not designed to be used ongoing, they're designed to be used once or twice and then thrown out, okay? Then you've got your Hizero detergent. 1 capful per 1 tank will be sufficient to clean and sanitize your floors. You've got your instruction booklet and cleaning instructions, please read it. And you've got a spare green filter. The green, there's one installed in the machine and there's one spare. They're reusable, not throwaway. So don't throw these away. Just wash them, reuse them over and over again. If you need any more, just give us a call and we'll send you one out if you happen to misplace it. Okay, so that's your Hizero. After 4 hours of charging, you're set and you're ready to go. And you've also got a cleaning brush that's included with the machine. So everything you need is here. Just add water, bit of Hizero detergent, and you're ready to go.